Movement activities with world-class little steps full of energy. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, whale-class children enjoy gentle, age-appropriate movement activities that are full of fun. Our little ones crawl, walk, stand, and stretch to the music, gradually discovering their body movements step by step. Shamy takes her first little steps, arms stretched out for balance, her eyes full of excitement. Ruby gently stretches her body, following the teacher's movements with adorable focus. Masy actively crawls and moves around quickly, always excited in every activity. Lucky moves while laughing, her cute expressions making the class even more joyful. Movement activities help children